Welcome you all. This problem is trending on the internet, so maybe you are also in search of solution. If that, watch the complete video and thumbs up if you like the solution. If xy minus 7 whole square is equal to x square plus y square, we have to find the value of x and y. So let's get started and see the solution. This xy minus 7 whole square is as same as a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is equal to xy whole square minus 2 times 7 times xy plus 7 square is equal to right hand side as it is xy whole square minus 7 times 2 is 14 xy plus 7 square is 49. In the next step, we are going to write this 14xy to its equivalent value. Like we can write it as minus 12xy minus 2xy, and splitting 49 as 36 and 13. 36 plus 13. Why we have done this, we will see in the next few steps. So xy whole square minus 12xy plus 36 plus 13, and we will take this 2xy to the right hand side. So it will become positive. Now we can see that this becomes an algebra identity a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b whole square or x plus y whole square. And we can see that this is also an algebra identity. So this is equal to xy minus 6 whole square plus 13. So x plus y plus y whole square, and we will write this minus xy minus 6 whole square, and we will take this to the right hand side is equal to 13. This becomes an algebra identity. X plus y whole square is a square, and this part is b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we will write this in the form of a plus b times a minus b. A x plus y plus xy minus 6 times x plus y. A minus b mean x plus y minus xy, and after opening the bracket 6 will become positive is equal to 13. On left hand side we have 2 factor, but on right hand side it's 13 only. We have to find the factor of 13. 13 times 1. So this is equal to 13 and the other part is equal to 1. X plus y plus xy minus 6 is equal to 13, and this x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equal to 1. After adding these two equations, this will cancel out and this will cancel out. We are left with 2x plus 2y is equal to 13 and 1, 14. We can factor out 2 times x plus y is equal to 14. From here we can find the value of x plus y is equal to 14 divided by 2, 7. First we add these two equations, but now we are going to subtract these two. The equations are x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equal to 13. X plus y minus xy plus 6 is equal to 1. If we subtract these two equations, the sign will be changed. Here x and y will cancel out, and we are left with 2xy minus 12. Here the sign will change to 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. 2xy is equal to 12, and we will take this 12 to right hand side. It will become positive. 12 plus 12 is 24. After dividing both sides by 2, we have xy is equal to 12. We got the value of x plus y, which is equal to 7, and xy is equal to 12. But we have to find the value of x and y. For that, we will use the substitution method. From this equation, let's name these equations as this equation as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So we got x from equation 1 and we will substitute this in equation 2. X is equal to 7 minus y times y is equal to 12. 7y minus y square is equal to 12. After rearranging, this is equal to minus y square plus 7y, and we will take this 12 to left hand side, so it will become negative. We can factor out negative sign. So y square minus 7y plus 12 is equal to 0. Here we are going to use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. After multiplying, we have to get 12y square, and after adding or subtracting, we have to get minus 7y. So y square minus 3y minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. These are the factors of this quadratic equation. We can factor out y from here, and from here we can factor out 4, and inside the parentheses we have y minus 3. We got the two factor y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here we have y is equal to positive 3, and from there we have y is equal to positive 4. So we got the two values of y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Using these two values of y, we can easily get the values of x. So we are going to put these values in equation 2. First we will put y as 3. So x times 3 is equal to 12, dividing both sides by 3. So x is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. One value of x is equal to 4. Now we are going to put y is equal to 4. So dividing both sides by 4, x is equal to 12 divided by 4, x will be 3. It means that we got two values of x and two values of y. So the solution set will be, if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. And if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. These are the two values of x and y. I hope all the steps are clear. If not, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.